Hi Techie guys, I'm Nand Kishore Swami and today we would be learning about downloading and installing Pega Robotics Studio. And once we are done downloading and installing Pega Robotics Studio, we'll also go through a kind of short course on Pega Robotic, and at the end of the course will appear for a question answer series or a kind of certification. So let's get started. Go ahead and open up your web browser and go to Google, type PDN network, and just go to the first search result that starts with pdn.pega.com. So I'm going to click on this first search result. It will navigate us to pdn.pega.com. Once you are navigated on pdn.pega.com, you can certainly go ahead and click on join us, and just click on I'm not a robot and click on sign up. This will create your sign up account, and it will send a kind of verification email on your email address. So go to your email address and just verify your email. Once you verify, it will go to the login page, and here you can again enter your same email address and the password that you filled on the form. Now click on login. Once you logged in, so go to the training, and under the libraries you can go ahead and just click on view all. So once you click on the view all, you would be landed on the page academy.pega.com/search. So under the search, just type RPA and hit enter or click on the search button. Once you click on the search button, you will see on the top first search says certified robotic system architect. So if you click on that link, you will see this exam would, so to appear for this exam you need to pay a fees which is $175. So right now we'll go back and click on the second link which says Pega Robotic Automation Architect Essentials. So this is under the course, and just go ahead and click on Pega Robotic Automation Architect Essentials. Now you will see this is the free one. It's a free course, and you can certainly go ahead and click on start learning. So once you click on the start learning, you would be redirected to a kind of a course page, and you will see a top button here on the top left corner that would say enroll. I have already enrolled for this course and completed it. That's why I see you see these green checks for each checkbox. And this course has a certain sections like course introduction, Windows integration, debugging and diagnostics, web integration, deployment, interaction framework, and course summary. So just go ahead and open up the first one before you begin. So once you click on the first link, and just to scroll a little bit down, This is just a kind of overview here on the first page. Now click on the second click on the next to move on to the second page, and on the second page you will see a link to download the exercise software. So this is the link where you can download the Pega Robotics Studio. So now go ahead and just click on this link. You will see download has been started. So once your download is completed, you can go ahead and open up this zip file, or you can save that zip file in a folder. So I have already saved it in the folder called Pega. Now open up that folder and right click on zip file and just choose the extract here. Once you click on the extract here option, the files would start getting extracted from zip file, and once done extracting, now locate the setup file, which is, you can see in my case it is the second one from the top. Just select the file and right click on the file, then choose run as administrator. It will begin installation, and as you see for any other software, it is also showing a kind of next window. So just go ahead and click on the next button. And you may also require certain .NET frameworks, as I have already installed those, so it is just asking to skip it. If you want to install, then you can certainly check on these checkboxes, then click on next, and it has started installing Visual Studio Cell environment. So simply you can just click on the next and finish, and your Pega Robotics Studio will be installed on your system. So once you installed, we are done downloading the software, we are done installing the software, Pega Robotics Studio, then you can go back to or click on continue to the next lesson, or you can go back to the course overview, and you can choose to complete this course one by one. It's a pretty good course, and it has enough material for a beginner. So once you are completed done with this course, you will see there is a kind of a yellow bar or kind of pop-up will appear on the top of the course, and it will ask for this course prepare you for a Pega Robotic Automation Architect Essential Assessment. You would like to take the assessment, then just certainly click on yes, and you can choose exam overview and completing the exam. Once you click on the exam overview, it will just give us small overview of the exam. Then you can click on how to take the assessment. So it's a kind of introduction of how the exam you can take and how the result would look like. Then click on next, and the first section of the exam is related to Windows integration, because that was the first part of the course. It has around like 27 questions. So once you are done completing all these 27 questions, click on next. It will take you to the next section of the exam, which is related to the integration framework. So the integration framework was the second chapter in the course, and the integration framework contains around 14 questions. So once you are done completing the 14 questions, you can click on the next button. It will take you to the next section of the course, that is related to the web integration. And in the web integration you will find around 18 questions, So once you are completed with these 18 questions, you can again click on the next. It would have again the deployment section, wherein you need to answer around 6 questions answer for, and all questions are related how to deploy the solution on a client machine. Then diagnostics, which is the last section, and it contains around 7 questions. So once you're done, so this is how you can see your results. So once you click on the next, you will see how much question you appeared and how much was the correct one and what was your score. And each section, if you see there is any kind of any of the question that was incorrect, then you can certainly click on this expand button and expand and see all the questions which was the incorrect question, and you can certainly reappear for the exam. So that's it in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy downloading and installing Pega Robotics Studio. See you in next tutorial. Hello. Yeah, hi. Hi, this is Nandkishore Swami, and hello, how are you?